This is an activity on elementary group theory. This activity, you'll have a equilateral triangle and labeled 1, 2, and 3 in clockwise order. And then you'll have a front side, and then on the back, you'll see that all the letters stay consistent. So on the back, there'll be a 2, next on the other side of the 2, and then 3, of course, and then 1. Okay, so here are the flips and rotations. So there's R1, R2, and R3. Well, R1 is a rotation, just like that, in clockwise. R2 is 1, 2. And then, of course, R3 is 3 times around. 1, 2, 3. F1 is grabbing the 1 and flipping it along the 1. Okay, go back to the start. F2 is a flip holding the 2. Now keep in mind that you always have to have one side that's parallel to the table. Okay, so let's get started. So let's say an R1 meets R3. So R1, rotate once, and then R3, 1, 2, 3. Well, that's the same thing as just doing an R1. So the answer for R1 meets R3 is R1. Okay, so let's do R1 meets F1. So R1, rotate it once, and an F1. Grab the 1 and flip it. Keep in mind that this is still parallel to the table. Now, what is this equivalent to? Well, this is equivalent to just doing an F3. You see, if I do F3, I'm back at the start. 1, 2, 3. Let's do one more. So let's say I have F3 and F2. So F3 is a flip. Hold the 3 and flip it, still parallel to the table. And an F2. Well, this is equivalent to, I'm back on the front, so it must just be a rotation. That's equivalent to an R2. Good luck. Go ahead and finish the table.